What in the world?
Hey guys, welcome back to Port 3030. If you're using PDM Professional 2019 or later, there's a good chance you've wondered what this grayed out drop-down bar on the eDrawings Preview tab is. This, my friends, is how you can toggle the preview of different configurations directly on the native CAD file. This can be quite handy if you want to change between, say, the casted or machined versions of your part, or if you're representing different positional locations of your design. Now, if this drop-down is grayed out, or you're not even seeing it at all, here's what you need to do. First, the drop-down only appears if you have the full eDrawings UI turned on in the preview. In Windows Explorer, go to the Display menu, Options, Show Full UI in SOLIDWORKS Preview. Next, in order for the drop-down to be active, the configuration display data has to be saved in the file. You can do this by right-clicking at the top level of your configuration tab and choosing Display Data Mark. Just be aware that this can increase the file size and save time of your files. So make use of the fact that you can be selective in what configurations you add. Now, by enabling this, you also make this configuration data available to users of Web 2 as well. And speaking of Web 2, I received a lot of great feedback that you'd like a user set of focused videos for how to use Web 2. So I'll be working on putting together a playlist of that content in the coming weeks. Thank you for the outpouring of support for the channel and the content. It's been amazing. If you feel like this was helpful and you learned something, feel free to like and share and subscribe. But most of all, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.